Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a product review and sketching tutorial of realistic apple. So without any further delay, let's unwrap and check out the product. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So product details of Brustro black sketchbook are as follows. So there are 40 sheets and 80 pages. 200 GSM is the thickness. Perforated and viro bound. 6 by 6 inches is the size. This is for dry media. Smooth surface that pops colors and hold ink lines without feathering. Also, this is suitable for metallic glitters, pastels and whites. Shows very well. Ideal for color pencils, gel pens, chalk, pastels, metallic colors, gouache, charcoal inks and acrylic paint markers. This is also acid free and archival. Now let's try this product. So I have decided to make a pencil sketch of the realistic apple with some droplets of water on it. This is my first sketch on a black paper. Materials required in this sketch are mentioned in the description box, so check out for details. Enjoy the process of sketching and watch till end for product reviews of this sketchbook. So after trying this sketch on Brustro black sketchbook, here are the reviews. The quality of paper is great. You can go with this sketchbook. It's so handy. You can carry even in your bag. So thumbs up for this product.